Hi, this is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. If you're a longtime viewer of this channel, you know that I seldom accept sponsorships. However, every once in a while, I try a product or software that's so good, I want to let my viewers know about it. This is the product, AI Arty Image Enhancer. It's the most advanced, cutting-edge AI software I've ever tested for sharpening, enhancing, and upscaling photos and other images. It really does an amazing job removing noise, blurs, pixelation, and artifacts with really impressive precision. And it can upscale up to 32K on Windows and 16K on Macs. It's that good. AIarty, the company that makes it, agreed to give my viewers a special discount of 20% off the original discounted price. And you can download it by clicking the special link in my video's description for the additional 20% off. In the meantime, I'll give you a quick overview of it, and then I'll show you how to navigate its super easy interface. After you click the special link I provided in my video's description, you'll see Free Trial and Buy Now. Just click Free Trial and try it with one of your own photos or graphics. You'll see right away how amazingly it enhances your image. Next, I'll show you a quick overview of the AI models in the AI Arty Image Enhancer. The more detailed GAN v3 is used mainly to enhance image details, clarity, and sharpness. AIGC Smooth v3 is optimized for AI-generated content. It's best for AI art, anime, line art, and images with smooth texture. Real Photo v3 is ideal for high-resolution photos. It delivers even higher fidelity, restores original details, and enhances natural sharpness and clarity. It's best for family portraits, product shots, and scenic landscapes. Face Restoration restores facial details while removing common imperfections such as blemishes, acne, redness, blurriness, and grain. AI Arty Image Enhancer upscales and enlarges images all the way up to 32K without losing quality. It removes JPEG artifacts, pixelations, and fuzziness. It improves the clarity of faces in group shots and brings detail to eyes and hair. It also fixes red eyes and enhances dimly lit photos. It restores old photos by sharpening faded faces and enhancing fine details. You know the way AI images are often plastic looking and overly smooth? Well, AI Arty Image Enhancer gets rid of that by adding a lot of fine details, creating a more realistic, visually appealing result. I'll quickly go over its super easy interface, and then we'll enhance some images together. There are many ways to import images. One way is to open the flyout list, click File, and add images. Another way is to click this large icon. A third way is to click Add at the lower left and click Add Images or Add Folder. Or you can click the plus symbol in the Media section. By default, we'll see some sample images already in there. Earlier, I placed some images into a folder, so I'll click Add and Add Folder, and then I'll click the folder and click Select Folder. It'll immediately appear in the Media section. Just double-click to open it. We can make the images in the Media section larger or smaller by dragging the zoom slider. Our image in the preview window opens at 100% zoom. We can fit the entire image inside the view area by clicking Fit. To adjust its zoom view, just drag the zoom slider, or if you're using a mouse, use the scroll wheel. If we want to see other sections of our image, just drag it in the window, or drag it in the small window at the upper right. Notice the software automatically detects our computer's hardware and will use your computer's CPU if it doesn't have a graphics card. Next, we can choose from multiple AI models. I recommend playing with each one to find out what works best for your image. We can upscale images up to 800 times their original size or increase their resolution up to 8K. If you want to further enhance detail and clarity, check 2-pass processing, which processes it twice. It even allows us to include text if we want. I like to uncheck Use Local AI Models Only to ensure we're using the latest versions of these models. Then click Start. It loads the AI model we chose and then processes it to the size or resolution we want. We can check the before and after in split views, or click this icon to see the before and after at 100%. Notice at the top left of the before image, it states the original size. At the top right of the processed image, it states its new size. To export it, open Export Settings. Choose an output format and the resolution. We can choose from 72 all the way to 1000 pixels per inch. I like to keep the quality at 100, which is the highest. For its output path, click Browse and choose a folder. Then click Select Folder. Batch export is perfect for exporting multiple images at once and is great for large projects. I'll click Single Export. When it's finished, the software will automatically open the target output folder where our processed images are saved. It's that simple and efficient. I mean, look how well it brought out each hair while keeping the background out of focus. I'll open this Pixar-style animation graphic. Smooth Diff V2 is great for this. I'll upload this already large image of a face, but I want to increase its resolution to 8K and enhance its details. So for this image, I'll use the more detailed GAN V3 model and upscale it to 8K. I'll check Face Restoration with a routine overlay. Then I'll click Start. I'll speed it up. I mean, look what a remarkable job it did. It sharpened every lash, removed the artifacts and pixelation, which we could really see in the white of the eye, and retained and enhanced the skin detail. I uploaded this old photo whose size is relatively small, and I want to get more details and remove its blur and noise. I'll again use the more detailed GAN V3 model and upscale it to 400% without checking 2-pass processing. It generated more details, more clarity, and more sharpness by removing the blur and noise. AI Arty is having a mega sale now that's offering the public a lifetime license to its image enhancer for $99. However, the special link I provided to you discounts it another 20%. This reduces the price to just $79, which is far less than other image enhancers on the market like Topaz. The lifetime license is up to 3 PCs or 3 Macs and gives you access to all its features. You get free software updates for life, and it has a 30-day money-back guarantee and 24/7 email support if you ever need it. I really think you're going to be blown away just like I have, and just check it out. You've got nothing to lose. This is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. Take care and be kind.